Hello, friends! Welcome back to our channel, ST Mix Vlog. Today, we're going to do, right now, Bata Pick with copy paste. See, you cannot see properly, but it's good. And if I want, or exactly if I didn't want, I don't have this. The prize is Pillars Gummy Presents. Kasama natin today si Mami.
Hi! Good evening! Ito yung ginawa ko, copy-paste. Yung kanina, makikita niyo mamaya, yung copy-paste yung ginawa ko. Okay, let's go! And, syempre, mag-start kami sa bato,
Pick.
Okay? Go, Yamela!
Okay.
Go! Bato, pick! Okay, talo ka. Talo si Jamela, lalagyan ng copy sa mukha. Okay, pakita mo yung copy mo sa mukha. Siguro mas the best, tali mo yung buhok. Okay?
Yes.
Go!
Wow, that's very good, guys.
Okay. Bato, pick! Talo ka ulit.
Girl!
Talo ulit si Jamela. Lalagyan ko ulit siya ng kape sa mukha. Okay?
Hey, only one.
Okay, mamaya yung face reveal. Bato, pick! Talo. Okay, go. Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Talo huli. Okay, go. Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Okay, talo ka. Okay, go.
Ay,
Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Okay, talo ka uli. Okay, bato, pick! Okay, talo ko.
I'm gonna joy.
Okay, bato, pick! Bato, pick! Talo ka. Okay. Okay, go. Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Ay, talo ko. Totoo nga lang kasi yung coffee naman ano yan eh, parang ano yan, tawag doon. Basta gamot ng coffee, gamot.
Yan lang ba?
Okay. Bato, pick! Okay.
Ano?
Ako talo. Okay. Okay. Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Talo ka. Okay, ito yung face. Oh, okay. Okay. Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Talo ka ulit.
No!
Ay, ako pala talo, sorry. Go. Lagyan mo na ako. Hurry up. Okay. Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Okay, ikaw na yung talo. Oh. Okay, go. Bato, pick! Okay, talo ka uli. Oh, ito, last one na to, YouTube. Last one na to, YouTube, ha? Mamaya yung face reveal kung ano yung tsura namin after ng copy-paste. Bato, pick! Okay,
No!
talo si Jam. I won this time, YouTube. I won. Okay, Jamela, revealed our face. Tan-tan-tan, tan-tan-tan. Bro, tayo ka, Jam. Tan-tan-tan, tan-tan-tan. Bagay sa'yo, Jam. O ngayon, because nanalo ko, anong prize ko?
Candy!
Ano yan?
Gummy
Pillars!
Pillars!
Oh, thank you so much. Dito natatapos ang aming game.
This is your channel, ST Mix
Vlog!
So guys, I lose and Mommy won. The gummy.
It's mine!
This
Because I
time,
won.
she won because I won in different games.
Open ko na to. Ano ba naman ito?
Wow.
Gummy, of course, no? Yan,
Fillers.
masarap.
Oh, can I have some?
Oh, ang sarap! Yeah. This one for you.
Yay!
Oh, ang sarap naman ito. Unique siya, oh. Ang galing.
Gummy.
Ang galing naman ng fillers. Important ba to?
Yes.
Teka, titikman ko.
Hey, that can be a pill. So let's peel it.
Ikaw yung mag-pilot. Ang sarap.
It's a pillar. Napipil siya, guys.
Ang
Pero
sarap.
pwede natin siya kainin. And look, pillars. Look, guys, it's white. That means that's a gift.
Sige nga, ako nga.
Gift. pa.
Ito nga, oh. Nalipid
And we
siya.
can eat it.
Kapag pillar. Ayun.
And we need to eat this.
Yeah. Ay, ang ganda pala to.
Guys, this is a trending candy.
Sarap. Ang sarap siya. Ang sarap niya. Okay, bye-bye. LST Mix.
Mix down!